Welcome back to Nifty Network video. Today I'm going to show you how to do your MAF sensor. Basically just remove it. We're not going to clean it, we're just going to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to replace it, there is a MAF sensor cleaner that you just spray on it and then put it back in. But I'm showing you how to replace it today. First things first is we're going to undo the battery. I always like to do it. It's kind of just like a safety thing. Just always make sure the battery's undone. It's a 10 for the ground, so obviously lefty-loosey. Get that loosened up, give that a little twist, and also when you pull the battery off, make sure to push the terminal out because those wires kind of have a memory to them. They'll want to pop back up and set on there. I've had that happen, so just kind of push it out of the way, and we'll get to the positive right now. And same thing, once it's loose, just give it a little wiggle, pop that up, and pop that over. If it doesn't want to stay, I'll take the battery cover and I'll set it like that just so that it doesn't set back on the positive. And then we're going to grab, normally these are Phillips heads, like this, a little Phillips head screwdriver, but on this motor, or on this mass airflow sensor, it is a safety Torx, and it's a T20 safety Torx. So that is your mass airflow sensor right here, and obviously lefty-loosey. I always just loosen that up and then I'll unplug it. Get that out of the way. Take the socket off, and you should just be able to do it by hand. They're really small screws. Also, that's why both hands are on it, because I don't want it to drop. Alright, so once you have both those screws out, this just pulls straight out of there, like so. And this is your mass airflow sensor, and that is how you remove it. And to put it back in, you just put it right back in. Oh, and if you're going to clean it, I'm not going to show you how to in this video, but they have like throttle body cleaner or mass airflow sensor cleaner. I have used brake clean before, but they do have specific cleaner for this. Spray the mass airflow sensor in that little slot right there with the spray, and then let it dry. Try not to mess with any of those because those are really important. So yeah, just put that guy back in there. And there's little notches. You'll see like there's a notch there and there's a notch there. Those locate the plug. So if it doesn't go in like that, try flipping it over, and there you go. And we'll put that screw back in. Alright, and then we'll put the socket back on the ratchet, or if you're using a Phillips, and these don't need to be crazy tight. These are tiny bolts, and you can strip them very easily. It just needs to make sure to stay in there, like so. Get both of those tight. Grab your harness, plug it back in, and make sure you hear a click. That means once it's clicked, that means it's not going anywhere. And there you go. That is how you remove and replace your mass airflow sensor on a G35, and that's also how you drop your ratchet on a G35.